Hello and welcome back to another video from Affiliate Marketing Money. Today we're going to talk about how to make money watching and listing videos on YouTube. That's right, you can make money just listing videos on YouTube, and we're going to teach you how. There's very simple and very complicated ways on doing so, and we're going to teach you both ways, and we're going to talk about both ways because both ways are worth it. Both ways are definitely something worth checking out. But first of all, we're going to start with YouTube. YouTube, we know, has thousands, if not millions, of viewers a day, probably millions to billions of viewers a day, right? And so many of these videos have advertisement on them, and every time you see an advertisement, YouTube makes money, and the person who had the video up made money. Now, if we really want to understand how YouTube works, we need to understand the trending page. The trending page basically suggests what most people are watching. Now, if we go to Google Trends, in Google Trends, we'll be able to find what's trending in different regions of the world. So with these two tools, we understand what people are watching and what people are searching on Google. After we understand what trending is, we can start finding niches that will help us reach viewers. For example, one of the most successful niches is scary stories. So this video of 10 scary Montreal urban legends is a perfect example of a niche of what people would want to watch. If we look at their channel, they have a lot of views in all of their videos, even though they're very new. 2 days ago, a day ago, 7 hours ago, 18,000 views. You know, the amount of views they're getting equals to a lot of money, and I'm gonna show it to you. We're gonna go to Social Blade. In Social Blade, we're gonna paste the link to their channel, and then we're gonna check out what happens. It says here they making between $7,000 and $125,000 a month. That's right, they're making in between $7,000 and $125,000 a month from YouTube videos. So we can see that they are very profitable, and they have very new videos with very many views. So we understand by this that this type of videos get a lot of views. So this is definitely something we can try. We can find scary videos and compile them. We can find scary stories and make videos for them and put them on YouTube. Now this other girl, this Asiland, that's the name of her channel. Asiland makes videos reacting to things, right? She has a lot of subscribers, over 12 million, and she gets a lot of views, but all of her videos are basically her just reacting to stuff online. It's a very simple, very easy video to do. It's just her sitting down and talking, right? So she makes in between $50,000 and $115,000 a month. That's an average of $425,000 a month just from making YouTube videos and reacting to what's happening on the internet. Then we have 10 richest YouTubers in 2020, Logan Paul, Mr. Beast, PewDiePie. So all of these, someone made a video of all of these YouTubers listing them as the 10 richest ones, right? They did their research, they decided these were the 10 richest, and so they made a video about it. So let's go to Trend Central. Trend Central has over 3 million subscribers, right? So let's look at their videos. They have 9,000 views a day ago, 23,000 views 5 days ago, 9,000 views 6 days ago, right? So they get a lot of views very quickly. This is something that we wanna learn from other YouTubers. We wanna know what they're posting to know what's working, right? So part of this job is to find the trending topics that are getting views. So this person or this page, Trend Central, makes in between $2,000 and $30,000 a month from YouTube. That's an average of like $16,000 a month. That's not bad at all. That is almost definitely enough to quit your regular job and just dedicate to looking at videos on YouTube, putting them together, and then uploading them. I understand that coming and getting to these numbers of subscribers, etc., isn't the easiest task ever, but it's not impossible, because we see here that the content and the material is just content they like and they put together for people. So now this channel, Not Funny, right here, has straight 8 minutes of Dixie something, straight 8 minutes of Dixie something, straight 8 minutes of Sack King, right? So they make videos about TikTokers. They just compile TikToker videos and they upload them. And let's see how much money they are making doing this. They are making in between $129 and $2,000. It's not much, you know. It's definitely not a lot of money, but it's not a little amount of money, you know. It's an average of $1,000 a month, and that's $12,000 a year. Anybody would be happy with an extra $12,000 a year. Now, if we find trending topics and we compile videos from trending topics, we could get even more views. Let's look at this person here, Snatch, for example. Snatch has 350 views. He did this video August 6th, so very not very long ago, because I'm filming this August 7th and they only have 350 views, but they have over 250,000 subscribers. So they have a lot of subscribers that constantly watch their videos. This is more of a cult following, I would say, channel, right? But let's check it out. Let's see how much money they're making through their channel. So if we put their link on Social Blade, we'll see they're making between $1,500 and $22,000 a month, somewhere in between $150,000 a year. That's a lot of money for anybody, right? So I think it's very safe to say that this is definitely a viable option to making money. I'm not saying you're gonna become rich overnight, and I'm not saying it's not gonna take work to get all these videos done and upload them and look at what people want to watch, but it's definitely doable. It's definitely easy to collect all these things people are looking for online and uploading them. So let's take a look here. Let's look at a very recent example that I think it became very profitable by someone. So we have top 10 Karens getting owned, right? So we all hate Karens, and we all like it when they get owned. This video was made August 6th and it already has 15,000 views. This was made on August 7th, so that's 15,000 views within the first day, right? So if we scroll through the video, it's just basically videos that people uploaded online, and they take these videos of Karens getting owned and they compile them together, right? This is by Public Freakout Videos. So Public Freakout Videos, as we can see, has many videos about Karens. They very much not like Karens, and so they make videos about them. And if we go to Google Trends, we are gonna see that the term Karen has been growing a lot lately, right? So a lot of people started searching the term Karen and looking for the term Karen. So it's definitely something trending that people are talking about. People are talking about Karens. So making videos about Karens, it's definitely profitable right now, right? So if we go to Social Blade and we look and see how much money Public Freakout is making, we can see that they are making somewhere around $5,000 and $84,000 a month, somewhere in between $63,000 and $1 million a year, right? So that's an average of $500,000 a year from posting videos about Karens. So again, this is not necessarily the safest career, and it's not necessarily the kind of thing that's gonna make you famous or it's gonna give you a lot of money overnight, but it's definitely a possibility. And if you use this technique and you work at it for long enough, I believe you would be able to generate a good amount of views, and that amount of views will help you generate money, and it will help you generate a following, and it will help you generate more views, and in the long run you can make a living off of just compiling Karen's videos. So thank you very much for watching. We are very glad to have you here watching our videos. We hope that this was helpful to you. We hope that you find it helpful and that you liked it. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. We'd appreciate it very much. If you want to support us, please subscribe to the channel. We're constantly uploading videos on new ways to make money online. So if you want to learn new ways to make money online, if you want to learn new jobs that are upcoming in 2020 with all of this happening, where we all have to stay inside, then check out our channel. We hope you like this, and we hope to see you again. Take care and see you later.